इसमें स्टार्ट ये तुम्हारा फोन
स्टार्ट है.
Hi friends, I first of all thank you GVF. Thanks to all the admins to give me this platform to showcase and share with you a very famous recipe from Bombay. Because we cannot travel to Bombay, so why not make the same recipe at your homes in a safe environment at your own home. The Bombay style grilled sandwich. I never miss this sandwich from Snowman's in Bombay whenever I go. So, do we start? Okay. You need 3 slices of sandwich bread for one sandwich. Should open it the way I show it. You should not turn the bread so that when you layer it, it's all in the same direction. 1, we put some butter. And keep it there. The second slice we turn it and put the butter on the inside. I need a phone. And the third slice, again a layer of butter. मक्खन लगाना ज़रूरी है, मक्खन लगाए बिना कुछ काम नहीं होता है. Okay, now on the lower slice, the bottom slice, I have mashed potato, and I've already mixed a little bit of salt, not too much, because I'm going to add sandwich masala and also should not put too much of salt in it. And we take a generous helping of a layer of mashed potato here. Very nicely mashed. Okay, now over this, the main ingredient which I get from Bombay is the sandwich masala. This you may not get in Calcutta, but I think not very hard. The ingredients are very easy. Some roasted cumin powder, rock salt, salt and black pepper. That's it. You may not get the original taste, but it's okay. Or if you can get from Bombay, nothing better than that. Okay, I put a little bit of the sandwich masala and then I put slices of tomato. Over this, again, a sprinkle of the sandwich masala. This has salt in it, that's why I told add very little bit salt in the potato. Then we cover this. Sorry. We take now one of the very main ingredients is cheese. You cannot be miser on the cheese. Now you cover it. On this layer, there is no butter. We put green coriander chutney. I have added lots of green chili in this so that it becomes very, very spicy, and depends on your taste, and a good dash of lemon juice. We apply a generous layer of coriander chutney, coriander chutney. Now one lockdown tip, everyone is trying to make something out of the waste so that you save on going out. In this chutney, I have added the peel of cucumber. It gives a good taste, it increases the quantity, and it's healthy. That's the tip for the lockdown. On this, we put julienne or rings of onion. And small pieces of julienne capsicum, green capsicum. Now again the sandwich masala.
Show the brand of sandwich masala.
I buy it from a shop at Goregaon named Jitendra. City Center, Goregaon, Jitendra. I buy it from there, and I always have a new pack ready anytime before this one ends. This is a must in my home. And again, don't miss on the cheese. Loads of cheese. I know there are many cheese lovers in our group also. So I bet you would be now salivating seeing the amount of cheese going into it. That's it. The sandwich is now ready to go into the griller. You cover it. And put little bit of butter so that you get a good golden brown color when you put it in the griller. And that's it. You're ready to go. Now here is my griller, and I put it in, and it's going to grill. Now see, such a big sandwich cannot be made in a traditional sandwich maker which everyone has at home. You need a one with two plates separate. You cannot make it with this type of sandwich maker. You cannot close it. So the alternative to this, I have the alternative. Don't lose your hearts. You can make it on the tawa. You can just put it and press it with the paratha maker, which we make the wooden thing. You can press with that and roast it on both the sides, toast it on both the sides with butter, and that's it. You get the same taste which you get from the griller. Only the lines won't come. Okay. Now there are many Jains who don't eat onion or potato. Alternative? Okay, minus the onions. I have one ready with me already. I grilled it earlier because that grilling is going to take time. So this sandwich has the mashed raw banana, boiled and mashed raw banana, and no onions. That's it. Everything else is the same as I showed you. Now you can, the bigger the slice, you take a sandwich slice, you see the bigger the slice looks better. You don't get triangle sandwiches here, sandwich breads here. So just take a big sandwich, the bigger the slice it looks better, and cut it the way you want. In this lockdown, if you don't get bread, if you're not easily getting bread and you don't want to go out, one more tip, follow Sushmita Di's bread baking recipe, make the bread and then you can make the sandwich. That's it. Now the final plating. Tomato ketchup, and one more thing which goes very well with this, which I don't think so they give it in Bombay, but I do it. Add some chips to the plate. It looks good and it goes good with this sandwich. I don't eat potato chips, but okay, just showing you the plating. That's it. And you are done. Three layers of ultimate bliss. I never ever miss this sandwich, even if I go for one day to Bombay. Just anyway, head to Amarson's, that area, I think Breach Candy, and you go to Snowman's and have this sandwich. It's just love. When I first had it, I don't remember how many years back, but I fell in love. From then I've been making it at home, so I don't miss the Snowman's sandwich here in Calcutta. And I hope you all will follow the recipe, make it, enjoy it, and feel that you are eating the sandwich at Snowman's. This sandwich is also, I think, not yet fully ready. No, it will take time. That's why I already made one sandwich earlier. It's not fully ready yet because this thing has to get heated fully before it can get ready for eating. Okay guys, okay friends, family, everyone in GVF, thank you very much for giving me this platform, and I hope you like the recipe and you will make it soon with homemade bread maybe and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.